Introducing the 2023 Ford Puma St-line X in grey. A stylish MPV with a 1.0 litre engine and petrol/electric fuel type. Packed with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, lane departure warning and wireless charging, this vehicle ensures a smooth and secure ride for you and your loved ones. With security features like ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The Ford Puma St-line X also boasts a sleek design with privacy glass and a spoiler. Rest assured with an anti-corrosion warranty and comprehensive servicing. For more information, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to drive home in a top-of-the-line Ford Puma St-line X.